Serve more students better than ever before. Transform the way you advise, develop, and deliver meaningful experiential learning. ConnectAIQ is a smarter way to power experiential learning across your campus. Leverage advising tools to access in-depth details of thousands of program options at your fingertips, enabling you to better advise on program fit and make recommendations personalized to individual student needs. Meet your students whenever and wherever they are, with the critical details students need to prepare for experiential learning. Make best-fit course recommendations for students to keep them on track with their degree by leveraging AI course matches in the Global Course Navigator. Track advising and identify trends in student demand to expand your reach and include more students in experiential learning than ever before, with unique reporting tools and data visualizations within the platform. Use student demand data to inform program development to reach new students. Enable innovation and creativity in programming through the power of the platform as program components combine to build experiential learning solutions for your students. Build, share, and approve programs that fit your students' needs and make them easily accessible in your curated program catalog. Market your programs through branded websites where students can easily navigate programs designed and selected by you, for them. Ensure successful program delivery by giving students continued access to details they need, when they need it at any time, via the mobile app. Serve more students better by leveraging the power of the platform in every phase of the student journey to make life-transforming experiential programming a reality for every student.